Now we're going to do a cold startup from the inside of the 1929 Ford Model A pickup truck. Ooh, sounds good. Starts easily. The car has turn signals, which you can see flashing here and here. It even has emergency flashers, which are on the dash, or chrome, or billet. See that? Let's go ahead and pull it out. The automatic shift knob, transmission shift knob, is a lovely piece also. Ford Model A in our warehouse under a blanket for protection. Now we're going to put it in drive and drive down the parkway here. You can see it's a little loud. I'm sure you can hear that. And if you take the dumps off, it is louder even still. The thing that I like most about this is one of those rare hot rods that you can actually drive. It has disc brakes, so it stops easily. You see out over the hood. One of the other wonderful details of this, it is a matte black finish for most of the vehicle, but you can see there's a gloss black stripe on the hood. The hood piece here is removable, of course. We'll turn left, wait for traffic to go by. Indicated 55 miles an hour. No rattles, no bangs, no squeaks. Just the noise of that brand new Chevy V8 350 horsepower 350. Something built nearly 100 years ago. Well, okay, the build was only 4 or 5 years ago, but the Model A itself is 1929. Hard to believe, 100 years. As you can see, the vehicle stops smoothly and quietly. And that's how much fun it is to drive this 1929 Ford Model A pickup.